Hello there. So today I decided to make something really basic, the pasta. Why no one has never done this? Because I'm Chinese, you know. Have you ever seen a Chinese? Let's go ahead. So all we need is some there we go, pancetta, and then we need some, some nipple mix. So changing my nipple for some milk, actually, that's not worth it. Whew. We didn't even start and I already lost my nipple. That's not good. But we don't care, we go ahead. Some fromage, omelette du fromage, omelette du fromage. Talking about français, I have something to show you. So in France, there are a lot of people with the baguette, you know, the super huge bread. But Chinese have it smaller, so like petite baguette. So now we have to do the preparation, the préparer. You know, you have to like delete the last part of what you want to say and make the round R. You don't have to say tagliatelle, you have to say tagliatelle. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. So now that we have all the ingredients, we have to put it all together with this thing and this thing, and then it's done. Like, let's go ahead. Let's take and put it on the fire. Sometimes I am on fire too. Now this and this and this and this. Oh, okay. Now the problem is that I forgot to make the fromage really very thick, thin. I don't know how to say it. You know, the most difficult part is actually open the fucking thing because I don't have nails. I'm eating alone. I have no friends today, so we are putting not all of them, like something. Like, I think that's maybe a little bit more. I love fucking meat. Weird flex, but okay. Now we have to put the fire higher. The fire higher, you know what I mean? The fire higher. I use this things called kuaizi in Chinese, and then okay, that's okay. Like that. We have to lower down this shit. We have to put some water in. Well, I hope that will not explode. Explode! And now we have to put the milk. Oh, actually, it's not open. Let me just, oh fuck, and put it in, and very slowly. We are really hungry, so we will take a lot of pasta actually. But this, I don't know how to call this or something. Okay, we have to mix this because it will explode if you don't mix it. Something like that. I don't know what I am saying, but I like the trains. You see, it's something real.哎呀妈呀，这个东西啊，跟你说啊，实在是太好吃了。Non so perché. Mi sono messo a parlare in cinese. Then baguette, the petite, and the water. I don't know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know what I'm saying. So, goodbye. Hi.